Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Altima headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical shocks. Once safe, open the hood of your Altima and locate the back of the headlight assembly, usually found near the front corners of the engine bay. Next, you'll need to gain clear access to the bulb housing. Some Nissan Altima models may have a plastic engine cover that needs to be removed first. Simply unclip it if present. Then, locate the power connector attached to the back of the headlight bulb. Gently twist this connector about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Once loosened, carefully pull the connector straight back to detach it completely from the old bulb, being mindful not to damage any wires. Now it's time for the actual bulb replacement. Depending on your Altima model, you might have a retaining spring clip or a twist-lock bulb holder. Unclip the spring or twist the holder counterclockwise to release the old bulb. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Secure the new bulb by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting the holder clockwise until it locks into place. Finally, let's test your new headlight bulb and finish up. Reconnect the power connector to the back of the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is functioning properly. Check both your low beams and high beams to confirm everything works as expected. Once confirmed, replace any plastic engine covers or clips you removed earlier, and you're all set with your new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.